You know, we're headed to Vows. When we were told that there were elders here, we said we must stop by and greet the elders. In fact, when we came here, they said the elders were supposed to be downstairs. But when we were told about how old they were, we decided that we should show respect by coming upstairs. We are different parts of ADC. ADC is an adopted party by the coalition. The coalition will run election to ADC. We are told by the coalition that there are promises that will elect new officers in due course. When the national party will decide when that will take place. Most importantly is have your eyes on 2027. To have your eyes on 2027, please go home and start registration. Working with the executive, we will form a committee, local government by local government, that will go from ward to ward to ascertain the number of people we have. If you allow them to leave you out, our state is notorious for writing results. We must stop them from writing results, right? They make noise after writing results. We will stop them from writing results. Please go home now and start mobilizing, because these are the people that will come and vote. Let me tell you one bad thing that you should not do. When you say they have already written the results, you discourage voters from coming out. We will confront them on the issue of writing results. So ask voters to come out and vote. They should come out and vote for change. They should come out and vote for the removal of the current government. If not, you will all die of hunger. Currently, Nigerians are complaining in President Tinubu's first tenure. Imagine what is then you'll be dead and buried. People are dying every day, not of sickness, but of starvation. If you're not ready to confront them, I'm looking for those who work with me to confront them. You agree? Right now.